David and his team are extremely talented, and what we see a major change in the last 10 years of residential projects that buyers and brokers are looking for, and David and his team really understand it.
What's most interesting about it for me as an architect is they provide lots of input, lots of inspiration, but also within that give you room to create. I think they express how they want it to feel, they express who the market is. Really great at inspiring the best possible work we can do.
We wanted to design a building and a space that will be chic, but also timeless. It's not only how the building looks from the outside. It all starts with the design. We're spending thousands of hours working with brokers, working with people that trying to get feedback and understanding how the space, each and every apartment, and to make sure that it will be very comfortable for them. And making sure that each and every layout is as perfect as it can be, you create the best product. So we made sure that the entrance to the building is the same as buildings in New York, in Paris, in London. There is a relationship.
One of the things I'm most interested in are transitions. So the porte cochere, which of course is a major transition, really sets the tone for moving from the bustling life of Miami with these wood-wrapped columns, cove ceilings that lead you into the first space. And I think right away, residents will notice a level of care.
And then you go to your amenity floor. We have a full floor of amenity on the 50th floor, but the dialogue with David Rockwell and his team was to make sure that we're not just building an amenity floor. We wanted to make sure that each and every space will be really used by the future resident.
And in the case of this building, how you take a very unique site, a very interesting point of view, I think is about creating a kind of warm, contemporary urban retreat. How do spaces connect you with other people? And I can't think of another project that we've done or anyone else has done where those amenity spaces, even down to the sauna, has a view to the outside. So you're constantly looking out towards the water. The pool deck itself is really a resort-sized pool with great day beds. And in fact, the seating is nestled into the landscaping, including these beautiful benches that are swings, so that within this larger place, each resident will be able to find the place they want to be because the architecture and interiors support that.
What we like about David Rockwell and his team is that as much as they are talented, they are also very open to hear feedback and work with the team to change the design to accommodate the future users and create the best space possible.
One of the things that was clear is we resonated around some of the things that make New York so great. One of the reasons we clicked is we saw opportunities to take that kind of intense energy, that vertical living, and think about how to translate that to a very different place. And I think in the case of JEM, is a building that will be timeless, but also feels very timely, built with a level of craftsmanship that will really stand the test of time.